Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, we're going to explore the 4 best media player for Windows 10, focusing on VLC and see what makes it so popular. So now let's get started. App breakdown and features. At number 4 on our list, we have VLC. This app has a 4.5-star rating with 174 reviews on the Microsoft Store. VLC is a free and open-source media player that lets you play almost any audio or video file across multiple devices and platforms. Here are 3 standout features. Wide format support. VLC can play nearly all audio and video formats without needing additional codecs. Cross-platform compatibility. You can use VLC on desktops, laptops, and mobile devices seamlessly. Customizable playback. Offers flexible controls for adjusting playback speed, subtitles, and audio tracks. App UI walkthrough. Starting with the media section, you'll see a simple layout where you can browse and select your media files. It's easy to find and open any video or audio content you want. Next, the Playback tab gives you controls to play, pause, skip, or adjust the speed of your media. Everything is laid out in a straightforward and user-friendly way. The audio section allows you to manage volume, select audio tracks, and apply equalizer settings to enhance your listening experience. In the Video tab, you can adjust screen size, enable subtitles, and apply video effects to customize your viewing experience. Finally, the Tools section provides advanced settings for fine-tuning playback, configuring media, and accessing extra features. It's designed to give both beginners and experienced users easy access to all the options. At number 3 on our list, we have Kodi. This app has a 3.7-star rating with 6 reviews on the Microsoft Store. Kodi is a free and open-source media center designed for home theater PCs, allowing you to browse and enjoy videos, music, photos, and podcasts from multiple sources all in one place. Here are 3 standout features. 10-foot user interface. Kodi is designed for easy navigation from a distance, making it perfect for living room setups. Cross-platform support. You can use Kodi on multiple devices and operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Media organization. Browse and organize your media from hard drives, network sources, or the internet with a clean and simple layout. App UI walkthrough. Starting with the Move section, you'll see an interface that lets you navigate and rearrange media items easily. It's designed to be simple and intuitive for a living room experience. Next, in the TV Show tab, you can browse, select, and play your favorite TV shows. Kodi displays cover art, episode lists, and information to make navigation quick and visually clear. Kodi's interface is built to be navigated with a remote or minimal clicks, so everything feels smooth and straightforward, whether you're selecting media or exploring. At number 2 on our list, we have Pot Player. This app has a 4.7-star rating with 57 reviews on the Microsoft Store. Pot Player is a powerful all-in-one multimedia player for Windows, designed to play almost any media format while providing maximum performance with minimal resources. Here are 3 standout features. High-performance playback. Pot Player uses technologies like DXVA, CUDA, and QuickSync to ensure smooth media playback with minimal system load. 3D and subtitle support. It supports a variety of 3D glasses and multiple subtitle formats including SMI, SRT, DVD, Blu-ray, ASS, and SSA. Comprehensive format. Compatibility. Pot Player can play almost every audio and video file format without needing additional codecs. App UI walkthrough. Starting with the File drop-down, you can easily open media files, playlists, or access recent items for quick playback. The Save option allows you to save playlists or export your current session settings, keeping your media organized. Clicking on Open, you can browse your computer to select videos or audio files to play, making it simple to locate your media. In the audio section, you can adjust volume, select audio tracks, and manage sound effects for a better listening experience. Finally, the Video tab lets you modify screen settings, apply filters, adjust subtitles, and even tweak playback performance for optimal viewing. At number 1 on our list, we have Media Player. This app has a 4.3-star rating with 524 reviews on the Microsoft Store. Media Player is designed to make listening to music and watching videos easy and enjoyable, with a full-featured library that organizes all your multimedia content automatically. Here are 3 standout features: comprehensive music library, quickly browse, play, and organize your music with playlists and smart sorting. Automatic content detection. All music and video files on your PC are automatically added to the library for easy access. User-friendly interface. Navigate through your media effortlessly with a simple and clean layout. App UI walkthrough. Starting with the home screen, you'll see an organized overview of your media, including recently played items and quick access to your music and video collections. Next, the Music tab lets you browse all your songs, albums, and playlists, making it simple to find and play your favorite tracks. In the Video section, you can access all your movies, TV shows, and video clips with clear thumbnails and titles for easy selection. Finally, the Play option provides playback controls where you can play, pause, skip, and adjust volume, giving you full control over your media experience. Media Player's interface is clean, intuitive, and designed to let you enjoy your music and videos with minimal effort, keeping everything just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips and tutorials.